lovies, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be revamping an old blazer that I bought from the thrift shop, so if you want to see, keep on watching. So I ordered some paint off of Amazon for the jacket. It's actually fabric paint. It's called Jacquard textile and it's for natural or synthetic fabric. And I also ordered some paintbrushes. I'll link everything down in the description box below. So as you can see, I'm literally just smearing the paint onto the blazer. I wanted the colors to be more softer and mellow, so I mixed every color that I got with white. As you can see, I'm not doing it in any particular order. I'm literally just dipping the paintbrush inside of the paint and I'm smashing the paintbrush against the jacket, and it is just coming out like artwork, honestly. It's okay if you got paint on the buttons. You can easily get some cotton pads and alcohol and just wipe the button. The paint will come right off, and that is exactly what I did, and it's going to be clean. To finish off the jacket, I'm going to be adding some rhinestone trim that I bought from Amazon, and I'm going to be applying that with the Gorilla Glue, and that is going to adhere to the jacket. You want to make sure that you are taking your time when applying this trim, because I believe this is the 2mm, so it's very small, so I literally had to take my time. I did speed the video up for the sake of this video, but I made sure that I took my time when applying it, because sometimes, because it's so small, it happens to twist and turn and you can wind up gluing the top part of the trim to the jacket, and no one wants that. So yeah, just make sure that you are taking your time and everything will turn out beautiful. And that is pretty much it for this video, lovies. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you try it out. Revamp your closet. Don't forget to rate, comment, like, subscribe, share, and also turn on your notification bells. And until next time, I love you, and always remember to live, love you. Bye, guys.